Identity confirmed. Proceed to loading bay A. Welcome to the KFC automated facility.
All right, gate cleared. Manifest confirms livestock transport.
Roger that. Proceed to Bay 3. Watch the back left. Clear on this side. Bring it forward, we're ready for the next stack.
We need to adjust the conveyor speed slightly. Okay, increasing it by 5% now. We need to adjust the conveyor speed slightly. Okay, increasing it by 5% now.
The readout confirms optimal frying temperature.
Yes, the color grading is consistent across the batch.
All right, keep it moving.
Clear on the left.
Next one, let's go.
Okay, bring it back slowly to the mark. We've got the pallet jack ready. Roger that, coming back now. Clear the bay, coming through. Copy that, we're almost done here. Clear the bay, coming through. Copy that, we're almost done here. Careful on the step, right here. Got it, bring the next stack in. Clear on the left. And here's your order, enjoy your meal.
Thanks.
Oh wow, this looks great, let's grab a seat. Here's your order, sir, enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Welcome, what can I get started for you today?